Hey again, I'm Rich with 4 by Store. Today we're going to be assembling a Deuling design fire extinguisher mount kit. Okay, some of the tools you might need for this installation are your welding gear. You're going to need some hose clamps to go with a fire extinguisher of your choice. We also have a 2-pound fire extinguisher for sale online in combination with the Deuling design kit, and you can pick that up if you want. It still does not come with the clamps. We're going to use some cardboard here to put some spacing in between our steel plates when we weld them together. You're going to need a socket or a 9/16 wrench to tighten down the bolt that comes with the kit. Socket for the hose clamps, maybe some scissors for the cardboard template, and a razor knife if you'd like. So we're going to be assembling and welding the 5 pieces of steel that come with this kit and using the supplied hardware to mount our fire extinguisher. It's always a good idea to test fit what you're going to be welding before you get started. And with the Deuling design kit, there's little holes and tabs on all the pieces of steel to help you get it in the right spot. So these 2 pieces here are going to get welded onto this plate. This piece here sits inside like this. The bolt goes through the end with the slot, and then the pin goes through the end with the round hole. This is the plate that your fire extinguisher is going to mount to, and it sits on top like this. Alright, I think we're ready to weld it together. One trick for mounting pieces of steel where tolerances and moving parts are important is to put a piece of cardstock in between the pieces of metal before you weld it together. That way you know they're still going to slide in and out of each other well. So we're just going to trace out this piece, cut it out, and put a few pieces of cardboard in between. Okay, we've got everything mocked up in place. Now we're just going to tack weld it to hold it together. Okay, now we're ready to start burning this thing in for real. Next, we're going to weld the piece that mounts to the fire extinguisher onto this piece here. I'm going to tack it in place, paying attention to making sure that this is as straight up and down as possible, just so it looks good when I'm done. Okay, and I'm ready to burn it in. Okay, now that we've got our mount finished welded, we're going to show you how to put on your fire extinguisher and how this works. Okay, we're going to take this piece here and we're going to mount up our fire extinguisher. You're going to need to get your own hose clamps because fire extinguishers come in a variety of sizes. They're not included with the kit, so you're going to need to get the size that works right for you and your fire extinguisher. There's 2 slots in this piece, and the hose clamps slot through. Then you can put them around your fire extinguisher and tighten them up. Alright. Okay, our extinguisher's all set up. Now we're ready to attach it to our mount. The slotted end slides down over the bolt, and then the pin goes through the top. The mount has 2 holes drilled in it so you can mount it to a flat surface, and then it also has 2 slots in it where you can use hose clamps to attach it to a tube or a roll cage. When you're ready to use it, just pull the pin and it's ready to go.